Alonzo Pierre Mingo has filed a direct appeal following his conviction and sentencing to multiple life sentences in Anoka County. On September 11, 2025, Mingo was convicted of 2 counts of first-degree premeditated murder and 1 count of first-degree murder while committing a felony in connection to the January 26, 2024 killings in Coon Rapids. On September 11, 2025, Mingo was convicted of 2 counts of first-degree premeditated murder and 1 count of first-degree murder. His co-defendants, Omari Shumpert and his older brother Demetrius Shumpert, were also convicted and sentenced to life in the triple homicide. Court records indicate Mingo killed 2 of the 3 victims during a planned robbery. 2 young children were present inside the home at the time. Prosecutors presented surveillance footage, forensic evidence, and testimony from co-defendant Omari Shumpert during trial. Before this case, Mingo had previously been convicted in federal court in a separate firearm case and served a federal sentence prior to the 2024 homicides. A full breakdown of the triple homicide and other components of the case can be viewed on episode 8 of our series. Following the September 2025 life sentences at trial, Mingo filed a notice of appeal on December 3, 2025. Because the convictions involve first-degree murder, Minnesota law has constitutional rights for a direct appeal to the Minnesota Supreme Court. A direct appeal does not involve a new trial. The Supreme Court reviews the existing trial record to determine whether any legal errors occurred during proceedings. That can include challenges related to jury instructions, evidentiary rulings, or other procedural matters raised by appellate counsel. The life without parole sentences remain in effect while the appeal is pending. As of now, the case is in the early procedural phase before the Minnesota Supreme Court. The trial record will be transmitted, briefing deadlines will be set, and written arguments will be submitted before the court issues any ruling. There has been no decision on the merits of the appeal at this time. With that being said, it would be no surprise if both of Mingo's co-defendants, Omari Shumpert and his older brother Demetrius Shumpert, both file appeals in their cases later down the line. At Mingo's trial, one of the key arguments was whether the evidence established for premeditation, as required for first-degree murder, was fulfilled. The state argued to the jury that the killings were planned and ultimately proved that element beyond a reasonable doubt, while the defense maintained that a rash impulse does not meet the legal standard for premeditation. The jury returned guilty verdicts on the first-degree counts. We will keep you updated on details of the proceedings as the post-conviction phase of this case continues in court. Now make sure you smash that subscribe button. Also like, share and comment on this video, as YouTube is now our primary platform. More new content and full episodes on the way.